People, so we are at this place called VBN Oven Fresh, and Ayush, show us what is that? Is that a okay? So take a bite and let us know how it tastes. Ooh, look at this young man's expressions. Good. It's really, that is so nice. And here we have some everything on the table right now is $220, and this is a very cute place in Bachupally. And Ayush, can you okay, give me a bite of that, and can you take a bite of this, my sweetheart? Okay. This is like a slab of chocolate.
Let's try this.
Yeah. Okay. That's a slab of chocolate, really. And that's what I like to always get my child to try. I used to take a bite of this. This is something non-veg. Okay, yeah.
Yeah, that's a solid 8 of
Yes, and then a bite of this. This is a non-veg cutlet. I think you can tell us if it's chicken or mutton. Is it chicken or is it mutton?
kind of hard to tell, but I think this is a veg one.
No, that is a veg one. Take a bite of that.
And that's
Okay. Yes.
this is a 7 out of 10. This is a 7 out of 10. This place is good.
It's a nice little, very, very nice. And in fact, take a bite of this. Okay. Like all pastries, it's really good. And one last thing, Ayush, can you take a sip of this?
This is a 8 out of 10.
Yeah,
This is a 9 out of 10.
really. So it's a cute little place and it's worth visiting, truly. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.